Hello, 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 my beautiful boss playmates. It is me, Ikenisha, your favorite boutique consultant and your favorite baby Cairo. And today we are going to be talking about basically you need to stop spending all your money. We're going to talk about ways that you can be smart as a new boutique owner with your money. I'm not just talking about budgeting, but using your money in a smart way. So as a business owner or boutique owner, but business in general, money is super important. And I want to actually change your mindset when it comes to money. We want to be smart with our money. So the first thing I want you to do, or the main thing I want you to do rather, is I want you to start looking at money as a tool for your business. When you start to look at money as a tool for your business or something that you need to keep your business afloat, you will start using money more wisely, you will start being more disciplined, and you will look at it in a different light. You won't just be trying to make sales and just be spending up money here and there. You will actually be smart about what you do with your business's tool. So there are some ways that I have been noticing. As you all know, my business has picked up a lot in terms of assisting boutique owners. And there are some ways that I'm noticing that new boutique owners are actually wasting their money. This has come from boutique owners that I'm helping, different comments and groups that I'm in, things of that nature. So I want to actually let you all know some ways that you are actually wasting money instead of using it wisely like you're thinking that you are. So first of all, because this is one of the number one things, you do not need to spend $600+ in inventory when you're first starting out. You don't need to spend $1,000 in inventory. You don't need to spend $2,000 in inventory. You don't need to spend $700 in inventory. You don't need to spend all of that in inventory when you are first starting out. Why? Because you most likely already don't know what you're doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, of course, yes, you need to have the right merchandise, but you don't need to have so much of it. So you need to actually put your money, or your time rather, in learning how to market, learning who your customer is, learning how to sell, instead of having a shit ton of merchandise and it's not going to sell because you don't know what you're doing to get rid of it. So do not start off with a ton of inventory or thinking that you have to have a lot of inventory starting off, because that's not the case. When you start off small. So that way you will learn what to do, learn how to get rid of inventory, and then use that tool of money and buy more inventory. And then, money will start flowing in. You can get as much inventory as you want. But right now, don't worry about having a ton of inventory. You can start off a boutique page with 5 items. And if you know what the hell you're doing, them 5 items will go right on off your website as fast as you know it. And then you can get more items. You can get 7 items next time. Then 10, 15, 20, whole website full of stuff. Whatever you want to do. But remember, you need to be smart about your money when you are first starting. Next. Hello, my boss playmates. I had to interrupt the video for a second to let you know that you can grab one of my online courses all around Instagram growth or about starting a boutique from A to Z for only $24.99. All of my courses are normally $99.99, so you need to act fast because the sale ends on the 31st. All right, let's get back to the video. You do not need to be worried about running ads. I hear so many people asking me or telling me like, hey, they just started, or they've been going maybe a month, and they're like, oh my God, I'm not getting no sales, I'm not getting no traffic. Should I just start running ads? Why? What are you running ads for? And I'm going to say these couple things about running ads, why that is a waste of money. If you do not know what you're doing when it comes to Facebook Ads Manager, because that is where you should be running ads. You can run some off Instagram, but it comes off better when you go through Facebook Ads Manager. If you do not know the ins and outs of Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to waste money. You're going to end up getting how much you're going to spend, and you're not going to get any ROI at all. You may get maybe one sale, but if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to target people correctly, you're not going to get a lot of you're not going to get an ROI. You're not going to get how much you're going to be thinking about you're going to get. So that's number one. Number two, if you don't know what you're doing to get people or traffic to your website organically, why do you think you're going to know what you're doing when it comes to running an ad? If you don't know how to convert the traffic that you're already getting to your website, why do you think you need more traffic to not convert? So you need to figure out how to get people to your website organically, and then how to convert them. If you don't know how to do those two things, running an ad and getting you more traffic isn't going to do a thing for you. It's not. You're going to waste money, and you're not going to be using that tool of money effectively and smart. Okay? So no, don't run any ads until you know what you're doing and you are already converting the people that you already are getting to your website. Okay? All right. So next thing. You do not need to spend a lot of money on having professional photography equipment. You don't need that, okay? You don't have to have models, really. You could model yourself. Get over it of being afraid of being on camera, afraid of whatever it is you're afraid of. Get over it. Be your own model. If you don't want to be your own model, find somebody in your family to be the model, find a really good friend, whatever. You don't have to pay them up front. Just let them know, that you're just starting out. You can't afford to pay them yet, but you can offer them this item for a discounted price and keep moving. No, don't give it away for free because you are wasting what? Money. So just get it to them, discount it, and they can buy it for the wholesale price that you bought it for and keep it moving. And if you have someone who is truly supportive of you, they will understand that and they won't have a problem with buying it from you for the wholesale price that you bought it for. Okay? So, are you spitting up or are you just drooling? Sorry, y'all. So there are actually tons of things that you could be doing. Yes, Kyra. There are a lot of things that you could be doing in order to have great looking pictures. Okay? You can make sure you have, if you're taking pictures on your phone, which most likely you would be, you can make sure you take pictures outside. Take lifestyle photos. Kyra! Sorry, y'all. He's teething, so he's chewing on everything. So anyway, take lifestyle photos, which are pictures that you take of a person or you model whatever in different areas, like maybe in a coffee shop, outside in the city, walking down the street, in a restaurant, maybe going to your car or standing beside your car, whatever. Those lifestyle photos' purpose is so your customer can see themselves in real life wearing your clothing. So take pictures outside around noon or 1 o'clock when the sun is the highest in the sky, and it gives you really great natural light. So there you go. A lot of my pictures that I took on my relaunch, I took them. I do have a photography team, but I actually took my relaunch photos and I took them on my phone. If you follow me on Instagram, make sure that you do. The link is in the bio if you want to click. I'm sorry, not bio. Link is in the description box if you want to just click the link. But my Instagram handle is at royal_aries325. I actually have a few posts where I'm talking about product photography and showing you pictures that I have taken with my phone and giving you some tips. So make sure you all go to my page and look for those. So another thing you can do, if you don't want to model at all and you can't find one, do flat lays. Get a mannequin. Put the mannequin down on the floor or something. Be creative. You have to think outside the box. Do product videos. You can also repurpose the pictures that you already have. There are a lot of things you can do and you don't really need to have a lot of equipment or a photographer and all of that. I'm filming my YouTube for the past year. I've been filming my YouTube videos off of my phone. Some people can tell, some people can't. It just depends on if I film outside, if I film with my ring light, if I film just sitting here at my kitchen table, whatever. Some people don't really care because they are getting the information that they need. So it is what it is. I'm going to keep filming on my phone as long as I can because I don't want to waste my money. So we are actually going to continue this conversation about money, and we are going to talk about in the next video what you should do when you have spent your hard-earned money and you receive bad quality merchandise from a vendor. We're going to talk about what you should do because, of course, we don't want to waste that money that we have spent on that merchandise. So what should you do with that merchandise? I'm going to tell you in the next video. So be sure to turn on the notification bell so you will know when I post that video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And as always, be sure to say hello to me or DM me on Instagram. You all don't really need to have me tell you that because y'all do it anyway. So I will actually talk to y'all on Instagram. See you next video. Bye, guys.